Hi everyone! Welcome to this walkthrough of the Automation Hub. Before we begin, let's talk about why we built this feature. The Automation Hub is your one-stop location to find all the custom automations Pia has built over the years. While Pia already offers 60 plus built-in automation, they don't cover every serviceless scenario. So to support the unique scenarios of our partners, our team has been creating custom solutions we call PiaPacks. The only problem is that often these PiaPacks are too specific for general release. So as a solution, we built the Automation Hub to make them available for you to browse and install as required. Right from the start, you'll have access to 30 PiaPacks, which include Smart Forms automations, chatbot automations, extension automations, and blueprints, along with all the configuration required to make them work. Now, let's see the Automation Hub in action. To get started, log into your Pia Partner Portal and click on the Automation Hub menu link on the left. This will take you straight to the Automation Hub landing page. This page is the central dashboard for everything PiaPack related. This page allows you to view the latest charts at a quick glance and guides you to your required PiaPacks. Here, you'll see sections that highlights trending PiaPacks so you know what's popular among partners, the total number of installed PiaPacks on your tenants, updates available for your installed PiaPacks, editor choice recommendations that you can browse and install, and finally, links to chatbot, smart forms, and extension automation specific PiaPacks. If you want to explore further, click on the search bar at the top to view the full list of PiaPacks we offer. And on the search results page, you can use the advanced filter to further refine your search or simply type in keywords to get to the PiaPack you're looking for. Now, let's see how you can install a PiaPack. To install a PiaPack, click on the Install button beside each PiaPack, which will take you to the Install PiaPack screen. The purpose of this screen is to provide you with the complete information about each automation without leaving your Pia tenant. That way, you understand why an automation exists, what problem it solves, and how it works. Here you can find a clear step-by-step installation process with all the config options so that you can roll out your automation faster and more consistently. If your PiaPack has bulk configurations such as delegates, client configurations, extensions, and package settings, you can also set them up from here so you don't have to remember all the areas in our portal to set up the automation. And you can also choose to install in a live mode or install to sandbox depending on whether you want to build up on existing code or launch it straight away. One thing to note here is that if you're installing a blueprint, you will only be allowed to install to a sandbox as blueprints require more work before they can execute in your environment. And as you choose your configurations, you will be able to see which clients have been configured. Once the PiaPack is installed, you can revisit your PiaPack in the Automation Hub and look out for any new updates. The updates for your PiaPacks can be viewed directly from the homepage. Click on the Update button within the homepage to go to the Install PiaPack screen. Or you can also access this screen by clicking on the View button within PiaPack itself. The Install PiaPack screen will show you a list of PiaPacks you have installed on your tenant, along with their current version and any updates available for them. To update a PiaPack, click on the Update button, which will take you to a screen similar to the Install PiaPack screen, where you can make all the necessary configuration changes and apply the update. One of the best parts of the Automation Hub is how it handles updates. Updates are opt-in, so you decide when to apply them. If something doesn't work as expected, you can roll back to your previous version instantly without having to wait for support. This also gives your business enough time to prepare for changes and apply updates exactly when you're ready. Additionally, the update screen also includes current version and available updates, detailed release notes for transparency, side-by-side comparison with the previous version. And that's it. You're ready to explore, install, and update PiaPacks right from the Automation Hub. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you get the most out of your automations.